Hello, welcome to our channel Days to Explore. Today we have special review for this luggage that I have used for over 1 year. Xiaomi 90 points luggage, full metal aluminum. This is the best. I think this is the best luggage I ever had. I've used this for over 1 year, and it always as my travel buddy, either traveling for business to overseas countries or domestic travel by train or by local transport. And I have no complaint about this luggage. I consider it as the best investment too. Okay. Even you can see no sound. Let's open it. Let's see. iPad, earphone, computer, water. Always bring water. Don't forget. Clothes, action camera. Apa ini? So you can see everything still looks okay. Even the lock. You will expect something like this. Yeah, it's normal. That's it. This is my special review for this luggage. I hope you like it. Don't forget, like, comment, subscribe as you like. Welcome to my channel.